Karate is a system of training that's designed to teach someone how to maximize one's potential through exploration of how to use himself in an unrestricted manner, through development of an unparalleled body, intelligence, and dexterity. The system of karate is not a sport. You see, a sport is simply an activity or a game to be played. Karate is nothing more than the tool used when one engages in a fighting sport. Karate was designed originally for the purpose of personal defense and has since become a tool used in the growing popularity of the martial sports. Many individuals speak ill of the system of karate because of the example commonly perpetuated by the martial masses. Many karate practitioners and masters present unrealistic and uneducated ideas about karate that really don't lend well to the original purpose or application of the techniques of karate. Also, the techniques are no longer being governed by martial strategies. Truthfully, it really isn't a matter of whether karate is a complete system or not. It's a matter more of whether someone understands how to use the lessons derived from his karate training in a more complete manner. My personal karate study has led me to understand that karate is a complete system, broken down into 5 parts. Karate is rooted in punching, thrusting, striking, and kicking. Tsugumi, which is Okinawan grappling / wrestling. Those 2 make up the beginner portion. Intermediate, we got loading, tripping, reaping, and sweeping. And joint manipulation, vital point attacks, vital area attacks, muscle disruption, and tendon disruption. And then the advanced phase would be the Kabuto phase, which is ancient ways. That totals the entire sum of karate. A martial sport promotes a war of attrition using strategies and techniques designed with an overwhelming emphasis on entertaining the crowd. A martial strategy, on the other hand, promotes intelligent technique usage designed to provide one with the understanding and ability to deliver in an uncontested manner. There are many people who demonstrate a high level of physical skill, but have no true understanding of the hows and whys of their respective abilities. As their skill dilapidates, they many times don't possess the understanding to be able to adjust in order to maintain a proficient level of ability. My martial education and study has helped me to recognize that my abilities are simply a physical manifestation of my understanding. And as my physical abilities decline, my understanding have allowed me to adjust accordingly, in turn, maintaining a high level of body, dexterity, and proficiency. Wow, that's an interesting question. That's a good question. With all the systems that I study, which is my favorite? Why? See, my study of the complete system of karate is what motivated me to study the other systems that I've studied. Because if it were not for my study of the different phases of my karate practice, the 5 I spoke about in a previous question, I would have not been exposed to the judo, the Karate-Jutsu, the grappling, and weapon systems available in their restricted forms. So I'd have to say that karate is my favorite. Everything else simply helped strengthen my understanding of what my karate has already taught me. First, when you approach me, never ask me, what is it that I take and or do? Because I don't take or do karate, I study karate, and there is a difference. Number two, the Underground Alliance Martial Science Research Association was founded in 1996 and is dedicated to the research, study, and dissemination of sound martial strategies and pragmatic techniques. And if you can't make it in the Underground Alliance, don't fret, because you can more than likely succeed in any other dojo. Yeah, that would be it. Please look up Underground Alliance TV on YouTube and like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit that bell icon, and you'll be notified when I upload new content. Thank you for this opportunity, and hope to talk to you again.